Okay, everyone, I am tempted to get a car wash at this Petrochem station in Shelburne, but turns out this wash is at a surface, and turns out we have a laser wash, an auto laser wash 360 with superior dryers. You can see here, the bay is really old. It replaced a older Mark VII TurboJet with onboard dryers, so they put that in. And here's a code box. This wash is at a surface, so I can't go to it. Yeah, so looks like they still have a Mark VII signage. You can see here. Never been here, but too bad I can't film it. Oh well. So we will find another wash. We have another one nearby here, so I'm going to pause it for now. Alrighty, now we are at the Quick Splash Car Wash in Shelburne, and we have a touchless automatic wash. And I see Mark VII dryers here, and turns out, oh wow, we have a Mark VII TurboJet XT. So here's the shop Express for 10, for Works for 12, and for Super Wash for 15. We're going to get the $15 wash. I never filmed a TurboJet XT by Mark VII. It's a rare system, that's for sure. So I'm going to get in the front seat and pause it for now. So this is what it looks like. And here's what the closer looks like of the wash options. We're going to get a $15 wash. Alrighty, so hopefully it goes well. Alrighty, here we go. We got the $15 wash, you can see. So here we go. I've never been through this before. My first ever TurboJet. there we go. That was a really interesting wash, that's for sure. Especially for a Mark VII machine, a really rare one. Alright, let's see how Alpha Wash did after a quick splash car wash. Okay, so the Mark VII dryers kinda did well on the sides, didn't clean up fat, and fat too. Cleaned the tires really well. On the hood, dryers really didn't do a great job. Passenger side, the side, kind of left a little bit of water, but mostly did a great job. And then on the back, adjust a little bit of soap on the car and stuff like that. And they cleaned the tires too. So overall, a really nice wash. Like, it did a great job. Definitely have recommended. Here's what the exit looks like. And it says try and touch with car wash. So too bad I couldn't film the offer one. But I really didn't miss out on anything because I filmed these Laser Wash 360s before. But this is my first ever in-bay touchless wash, except for Choice Wash XT. So yeah, this is definitely a rare find in Ontario. I think there's only 2 in Ontario. One in Stoney Creek with mixed ear dryers, and one here, which I didn't know that existed. So yeah, it definitely did a great job. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think that's worth $13? To be honest, I think it is. But it's really short. It should do another pass of high pressure winds. The rain X was really good, but dry foam was kind of a little bit weak, and the pre-soak was weak too. So yeah, overall a really nice wash after a quick splash car wash in Shelburne. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. It's really well. I'm glad I was able to film in TurboJet. I believe not TurboJet XT. I think Mark VII has discontinued that. So yeah. Anyways, that's the Mark VII TurboJet XT at the quick splash car wash in Shelburne. In Shelburne. Before we end this video, I'm going to show you some interesting washes in Collingwood. The first wash we passed was at the Canadian Tire gas station. It has a newer Ballinger Condo KL2. I have a feeling it replaced a Ballinger Factor Rapid Wash. I'm not going to film it because I already filmed so many of these systems lately. The second wash I passed was at the Pioneer gas station not far away from the Canadian Tire. It has a really rare iced ball touchless system in it. I never filmed these systems before except the M and EX32. So I will definitely, next time I'm back in the Collingwood area next time, I will have to film this wash. And finally, down the street from the Pioneer, I found an Esso station that has a soft cloth car wash. I have a feeling it is a Ballinger Freestyler since I see a Ballinger dryer timer. It is really rare for an Esso to have these systems, so next time I'm in the area, I need to film that as well, but not on the same day. So that's basically all the washes I passed in Collingwood. Anyways, but the one I filmed today was really rare. You don't really see them every day in Canada. Too bad Mark VII has discontinued them. They are really great systems, that's for sure. Do you like these systems? Please let me know in the comments below if you like them. Anyways, that's gonna be it as always. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.